Number 4, you're going to simplify the polynomial by using the distributive property here. These are all binomials timesing another binomial or a trinomial down here. This is just going to be the first part, so A, B, and C. So be careful with how I'm multiplying it here. I'm going to be distributing, so the x, so the z is going to be multiplied to the z. That's what I wrote here. And then I'm going to color code it. Then the z times the 3x. So 3 times z times 3x. Then the second term here, the -6 times the z. And then the -6 times the 3. Okay. All right. Z times z, z squared. Z times 3, it is 3z. -6 times z, -6z. -6 times 3 is -18. Make sure you combine like terms right here. 3z minus 6z is minus 3z. Bring down the z squared and bring down the minus 18. Z squared minus 3z minus 18 will be the final answer. All right, let's do this one. A times a, so that's what I write. A times a. Then you have a times -3. Then you have that 8 times the a. Then you have the 8 times the -3. A times a squared. A times -3, -3a. 8 times a, it is plus 8a. -8 times -3, it is a -24. Combine the like terms here. -3a plus 8a becomes 5a. Bring everything else down. So the final answer is a squared plus 5a minus 24. C. G times that g. G times that -2. 7 times the g. And then this -7 times the -2. Right? G times g, g squared. G times -2, -2g. -7 times g, -7g. -7 times -2, it is a plus 14. These terms combine, -2g minus 7g, it is -9g. Bring everything else down, 9g squared, and the plus 14. So the final answer, it is g squared minus 9g plus 14. Right, there you go. That's going to be the first part of question 4.